In number 20, we have an inscribed triangle inside of a circle with angles A, B, and C. We also have an arc on the top of our circle with the measurement of D degrees. And then we have a tangent line coming off the circle with an angle here that is 43 degrees. And our task for this is to solve for A, B, C, and D. The first angle that would be easiest to solve for would be angle B, because any angle that is made from the endpoints of a diameter is automatically going to equal 90 degrees. So that's our first angle right away that we can go ahead and solve for, is that 90 degree right there at angle B. Next, what I want to do is I want to go ahead and create a tangent line here at that line going to the center, which I now know this line here is equivalent to one of our radius lengths. We also have another radius, which then gives us an isosceles triangle. Again, as in the last problem, number 19, when I have an isosceles triangle, I have two sides that are congruent, and I also have two base angles that are congruent as well. So, using that information, I now know that this angle here, the tangent angle, is going to be 90 degrees. And I already have 43 degrees on the outside of the triangle, which for the inside of the triangle leaves an angle measure of 47 degrees right here, because 90 minus 43 gives me 47. Now I don't have to find this angle here, but I do know that this here is also an isosceles triangle because it is also made up of a radii. So I can then conclude that if this angle here on this isosceles triangle is 47, that this angle here must also be 47 degrees. Again, that's just from making an isosceles triangle with the radii of this circle. Now, knowing that I have C equal to 47 degrees, the arc made by angle C right here is this arc measure for D. For any inscribed angle, the arc it creates is double the angle measure. So if angle C is 47 degrees, then the arc created by angle C will equal 94 degrees. So I now have the measurement for D, I have the measurement for B, and I also have the measurement for C, which is 47 degrees. My last angle that I can solve for is now A, and I can do that by subtracting 180 and take away 90, 47, and for this angle here, A, I get a measure of 43 degrees.